Subscribe to SpeakATale and hit the bell icon for inspiring content and life-changing ideas. Picture this: you're at a crossroads. A voice inside you says, go for it, but before you can act, doubt creeps in. You hesitate, and the moment slips away. What if I told you there's a simple tool that can stop hesitation in its tracks and push you toward action every single time? Welcome to the power of the 5-second rule, a game-changing method that has helped millions of people overcome fear, beat procrastination, and take control of their lives. In this video, we're diving deep into how you can use this rule to unlock your potential, crush your goals, and build the life you've always dreamed of. So, get ready, because by the end of this video, you'll have the key to change your life forever. Let's get started. What is the 5-second rule? The 5-second rule, introduced by Mel Robbins, is as simple as it gets. When you feel the urge to act on a goal, count backward, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then take immediate action. It's not about being fearless, it's about acting before fear paralyzes you. Here's why it works. The moment you hesitate, your brain goes into autopilot mode and starts coming up with reasons to avoid taking action. The 5-second rule interrupts this cycle. It forces your mind to focus, shuts down excuses, and pushes you toward what you know you need to do. Why is the 5-second rule life-changing? 1. It destroys procrastination. Procrastination is your brain's way of avoiding discomfort. Think about how often you've delayed something important, calling a client, starting a project, or even exercising, just because it felt easier to wait. The 5-second rule removes the waiting. It trains your mind to take action before excuses take over. Imagine sitting at your desk, staring at a big task. Instead of thinking, I'll do it later, you count 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and get started. Suddenly, the hardest part, starting, is behind you. 2. It builds self-confidence. Every time you act on the 5-second rule, you prove to yourself that you're capable of taking charge. Confidence isn't something you're born with, it's something you build, one decision at a time. Small actions compound into big wins. 3. It overcomes fear. Fear thrives on hesitation. The longer you wait, the more fear grows. Whether it's speaking up in a meeting, starting a business, or pursuing a dream, the 5-second rule helps you act despite the fear. Real-life examples of the 5-second rule in action. 1. Pursuing a dream job. Let's talk about Naina. She had been stuck in a job she hated for years. One day, she came across a listing for her dream job. The thought of applying excited her, but doubt quickly set in. What if I'm not qualified? What if I fail? Normally, she would have closed the page and given up. But this time, she counted 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. She clicked apply. A month later, she landed the job and realized how close she had been to letting her dream slip away. 2. Tackling public speaking anxiety. Arjun always dreaded public speaking. During a work event, his boss unexpectedly asked him to share a few words. His heart raced, his palms sweated, and his first instinct was to say no. But instead, he silently counted 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. He stood up, walked to the stage, and started talking. It wasn't perfect, but he got through it, and earned the respect of his colleagues for his courage. 3. Starting a health journey. Mira, a single mom, struggled to find time for herself. She wanted to exercise but always convinced herself she was too tired. One morning, her alarm went off, and she was about to hit snooze, but instead, she said 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and got out of bed. That day, she went for a 10-minute walk. Over the next few months, those walks turned into runs, and she eventually completed her first 5K. How to apply the 5-second rule in your life. 1. Identify the moment of hesitation. Whether it's making a call, speaking up, or starting something new, recognize the moment when you freeze. 2. Count backward. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Counting interrupts your brain's autopilot mode and focuses your attention. 3. Act immediately. Don't think. Don't analyze. Just do it. Send the email. Make the call. Take the step. 4. Repeat consistently. The more you practice, the easier it gets. Over time, this rule becomes second nature, and hesitation will no longer control you. The science behind it. The 5-second rule is backed by neuroscience. Counting backward activates your prefrontal cortex, the decision-making part of your brain, and shifts focus away from fear and excuses. By the time you reach 1, your brain is primed for action. Personal story, taking the leap. A friend of mine, Karen, wanted to start his own business. He had the idea, the plan, but not the courage. Every time he thought about quitting his job, fear gripped him. Then he heard about the 5-second rule. One day, during a particularly bad day at work, he took a deep breath, counted 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and sent in his resignation. Today, he runs a thriving company and often says, "I owe it all to those 5 seconds of courage." And that's the beauty of the 5-second rule. It's not about perfection or fearlessness. It's about taking action in the moments that matter most. Your dreams, your goals, your potential, they're all waiting on the other side of hesitation. So, the next time you feel doubt creeping in, remember, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go. Take the leap. Because the life you want isn't out of reach, it's just 5 seconds away. If this video inspired you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to SpeakATale for more empowering content. Let us know in the comments, what's one thing you'll use the 5-second rule for starting today? Until next time, take those 5 seconds of courage, and change your life forever.